I always wanted to fly with birds.
When I was a kid, my family fulfilled this dream. My daddy and my granddaddy, they created the first mechanical bird. It was not a plane, it was a wing flapping machine. Today, my dream is to create the bionic bird for the 21st century. It will be connected. It's a flying app. Here is Bionic Bird. This is a prototype. The egg is a portable charger. You can charge a bird in less than 12 minutes. Bionic Bird is only 8.5 grams. It has an electric motor of 0.8 watt, a rotation speed of 55,000 RPM, an aluminum sink, and a lithium polymer battery. It also has a great design inspired by nature. Plus, it can fly as high as 100 yards. Finally, I have my flying app. When you're lucky, the real bird comes to play with you. I'm a dreamer. I'm not a big company. And I want to share my dream with you.